Today, I'm gonna make this chicken broccoli pasta bake that is so good. It ends up in a delicious casserole that you can serve your friends, and it's got a little bit of spice, so you'll enjoy that flavor, and I really enjoyed making it. Hi there, welcome back to Renal Diet HQ. I'm your host, Mathea Ford, and today we're making a creamy and delicious chicken broccoli pasta bake. So let me go through the ingredients with you. I've got almond milk, chicken thighs, broccoli, rotini pasta, flour, Parmesan cheese, some fresh thyme, onions, butter. This is my Texas twist spice and some black pepper. We've got olive oil and we've got garlic. By using the almond milk, we make it very kidney friendly because it's lower potassium, lower phosphorus. Our first thing that we're gonna do is turn our oven on to 350 because we're gonna put the chicken broccoli pasta into the oven when we're done mixing it all together. And there you go. All right, we're gonna put the pasta in. Okay, the next step, after we've combined everything, we've added the chicken, the broccoli, and the pasta into that gravy-like creamy sauce, We are going to use a little bit of pan spray to keep it from sticking to our pan. All right, next I'm going to just take this and put it into the pan. I'm going to scrape the extra out with the pasta scraper. Okay, and then we cover it and bake it for 15 minutes in the preheated oven. When I use aluminum foil, I like to put the shiny side down. That reflects the heat back into the pan. So let's put it in the oven. Okay, now I'm going to take the foil off the top of the pasta bake, and then I'm going to let it cook another 10 minutes to get kind of crispy on the top. Woo, look how hot and spicy that is. Okay, let's get out this delicious pasta bake. Here's your chicken broccoli pasta bake. After it's been in the oven, it's so nice and thick and creamy. It's very hot. As you can see, I'm getting a little bit of a steam spot here. So I'm just gonna get my serving. This makes 6 servings, so trying to kind of even it out a little. There we go. Okay, so that's our chicken broccoli pasta bake. It is deliciously this huge serving you get. It's a nice meal. You can make extra, you can cut it in half, but it's still gonna be a very nice meal. You could store it in your fridge for a couple days. I'm gonna give it a taste. It's very hot, so I'm gonna blow on it for a minute. This is so good. It's really good. I love it. The creamy sauce makes all the difference.